Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin, and welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly. Today I'm testing out Hostess again. It's their fall season, so they have some new stuff. So today I have on my plate is the Candy Corn Cupcake, the Caramel Apple Cupcake, and the Pumpkin Spice Twinkie. If you hear any background noise, it is probably someone doing their lawn, so I do apologize. They were done and now they started up again. Fucking assholes. Anyways, and so which one to go with first? Probably go with the Twinkie first. So this is a normal yellow Twinkie cake, which has pumpkin spice filling. So let's see how that is. It's pretty good. I think they did a pretty good job on the frosting. Try to rip this open. Come apart. Thank you. I was trying to get you guys to see a little bit of the filling color and the possibly the spices. I am too far from the camera, so that's the best I can do. We're not having a good day right now. So it does have, I'm assuming nutmeg, or maybe nutmeg. It's probably nutmeg or cinnamon in it. But it's not bad, it's actually pretty good. I wouldn't mind if they do this inside one of their cupcakes. It'd be nice if they did like a pumpkin bread cupcake. No, probably for the frosting with that, I'd probably be going with a cream cheese. Then a pumpkin spice one. I'll go with the caramel apple. Now this one's supposedly based on its box. It says it's supposed to be an apple cake with caramel frosting. So let's see how that turned out. See if I can get the frosting this time. Trying to figure out which part I don't like. I do like the apple cake. I kind of like the frosting. I think the frosting itself isn't too strong. So I think if they had a little bit more of a caramel taste to it, just a touch, not too much, it might balance a little bit better in my opinion. No, maybe the frosting's fine. Now what I didn't like was the hard caramel on top. That I didn't care for. I feel like I'm eating like a child right now. feel like eating like a child. Personally, I might like this better if it was a Twinkie instead, because you don't have the caramel on top. So I think they should have switched over the pumpkin spice and the caramel apple. So switch them to the two different items. Now, it's candy corn. Now, personally, I like candy corn. I know there's people out there that don't like them, like Cameraman. So, based on the box doesn't really give you much of a description. I'm guessing they didn't know how to describe candy corn, because all they said was a yellow cake with a creamy filling. That's all it says. Okay. So let's try the candy corn. Tastes like yellow cake. Haven't gotten to the frosting yet. Oh yeah, I was questioning this too. Why does the candy corn have sprinkles on it? Why didn't the caramel apple? This doesn't make sense to me. Why are there sprinkles? So I'm still trying to figure out the frosting. I'm rather confused by it. I'm trying to figure out how to describe the frosting. Because I think the frosting, it's kind of has a candy corn flavor. Kind of. And then also that is it has a different consistency than what the cupcakes usually have. Maybe I could say it's like more whipped than the other ones. Which isn't a bad consistency per se. But that kind of stuff after a while does bother my stomach a little bit. I don't know why. I have an issue with some cake frosting, so I think it's more whipped than usual. It's not a terrible flavor. It does remind me of something though. I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe it's, when you buy, like, a store cake, the frosting, the whipped frosting that you have, it kind of reminds me of that consistency. That might be what they were going for. I'm not sure. I mean, it's not terrible. It's kind of bothering my stomach. So at least say this out of my verdict. I'm happy that Hostess is venturing out. I don't know if this is because... It probably is. It's probably because who's currently owns Hostess is allowing them to venture a little bit more. Because I don't remember Hostess doing as much of the holiday stuff as they're doing now. I mean, they have the banana Twinkies all year round now. They're venturing a lot with the Twinkies. I don't know why. Maybe because it's so easy to do. I'm seeing more of the cupcakes having different kinds now, seasonally. And I hope they continue to venture. I mean, I would like to see, some more cupcake ones. They're year round. Since we do the banana for the Twinkies, it'd be kind of neat to see a banana one, a banana bread cupcake. I know they were doing the banana ones for the anniversary stuff and whatnot, so. I wouldn't mind seeing more. Now these three, I have to make my verdict. I would have to say out of these three. I mean, with the two cupcakes, there were some hits and misses in them. More so in the caramel apple one. I think the only one they did right was the pumpkin spice. I mean, the cupcakes, if they tweaked them a little bit more, they probably would have been perfect, at least for me. Again, my opinion. Other people's opinions are their own. It's okay to have a different opinion. I mean, I was really hoping to like the caramel apple, because I do like caramel, and I do like apple flavor things. Don't like apples themselves, but I like apple flavor things. I think for me it was just too much of the caramel frosting and the caramel coated top. Because of the I mean, you have the chocolate cupcakes that they have, and it's chocolate cake with white cream inside with the chocolate top. So you don't have to do too much on the caramel. You could have done something different with the top. It was just too much for me. And then this one, I think overall the flavor was okay. I just think the consistency of the whipped cream, it says creamy filling, but the creamy filling has a different consistency, to me at least, to the other cupcakes. I mean, this one isn't as whipped, I think. And that might be because of what they used in it to make it. So, yeah, I would definitely, if you like Twinkies, or like Hostess, I would definitely try the, pumpkin spice. Grab the box. Pumpkin spice. Well, here. Pumpkin spice, Twinkies. They're really good. And I can't wait to see what they do for Christmas now. Since they're doing a really, really great job on these. Depends on if the person likes a Twinkie or not, cameraman. Cameraman's like, no. He doesn't like cake. So, I know what's wrong with him. I can't have too much cake either, so I can't really say anything. He says they'll probably be just peppermint. They could do peppermint. No, that'd probably be gross. I just saw a cranberry. Cameraman's giving me a disgusting look. What else is big during Christmas time? I mean, yeah, you see peppermint a lot, but I'm sure there's other ones. What, didn't they do that one last year? He was thinking eggnog. Didn't they do an eggnog one last year? Or am I just imagining things? Eggnog and peppermint is usually the big things. I mean, I think it'll probably be a peppermint cupcake. You don't want to know what cameraman said. But yeah, I think that's my verdict for today. The cupcakes I wouldn't really waste my money on unless you really, 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 really love caramel times like 1,000, because I like caramel and I just can't handle it. And even if you're a candy corn person, if you have an issue of consistency of items that you're eating, and you don't really like whipped things, whipped cream and stuff like that, or whipped frosting, I wouldn't get the candy corn, because it might bother your stomach. But yeah, I think that's it today. I was gonna try to finish this, but I was gonna try to chug it. So hopefully you liked today's video. Let me know if there's anything else that you guys see that's seasonal that I might not have caught yet. I have found I have found some seasonal stuff that I haven't done videos on yet. Excuse me. Lost my train of thought. I did find some of the M&Ms. I think I got all the M&Ms that are seasonal right now. Think I found the Kisses, the Kit Kats. I did find cereal that was seasonal. I just haven't bought them yet. I have to go back to Target to find them, because I haven't seen them anywhere else but Target, so I'm guessing Target's exclusive with them. Anyways, I should go. I'm probably annoying you guys now. But again, remind me to throw something at cameraman later. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I do hope I see you guys soon. Hopefully I'll have another video up soon. So, see you guys later. Bye.
Hey,
Thanks for checking out my second Hostess only taste test. These fall items were hit or miss for me. The Twinkie was good. The caramel apple cupcake was a solid 5 out of 10. And the candy corn cupcake just makes no sense to me. But I definitely eat more of those Twinkies, which I have since I've eaten most of the box. If you liked today's video, show it with a like and a comment, and why don't you subscribe to my channel while you're at it. See you all soon.
bye.